Here I have a simple program that will ask a user to enter a maximum point value and an actual point value, and then we're calculating the score as a percentage. Let's use if statements to assign a letter grade to that score. One trick to writing if statements is if you know you're going to be checking multiple conditions, it's good to start at one of the edge cases and then work your way through each case all the way to the other edge case. What I mean by that is I could check the condition to see if score earned a C, and then check B, and then D, and then F, and then A. That's totally valid, but the if statements for that are going to be more complicated than they have to be. So here I should start with either A or F and then work my way through to the other end. So I'll start with A. So if score is greater than 0.9, we know that's going to be A. Else if score is greater than 0.8, B, and so on. And we actually want greater than or equal to because a 90% is still an A. So else if score is greater than or equal to 0.7, and one more else if and then else. So let's actually get the letter grade. So I'll use a char or a char, and I'll just use an underscore for the initial value. Can be anything. Alright, and let's print that. So here, the edge case I started with is 90% and above, so if someone was awesome and got a 10,000%, that would still be an A. So 0.9 and above is eliminated if that's not true. So then if this is true, then we know it's within the B range, and similarly then the C and the D. And then once we get to this point, every possible value from 0.6 and above has been eliminated. So we can assume that it's less than 0.6 and assign the grade as an F without actually explicitly checking any conditions. So let's run this a couple times. So max points, I'll make it simple, 100, 75, and we get C. Running it again, 100, 92 is an A. One more time. So out of 100, let's say they earned negative 9,000 points. That's an F. I'll run it one more time, but this time I'm going to run it in debug mode so we can watch it go through the if statements line by line. So let me launch that. So max points 100, and we'll say 66. Yes. So it hit our breakpoint and it stopped. So now we can watch it go through. So yeah, check that. That was false, so it continues. Check that. False. False. So it'll check this condition and it will say, hey, this one's actually true. And then it will proceed to enter the code block. So you can see this is the only place it actually assigns another value to grade. And then, yeah, if any of these are true, else will not be executed. So let's do that one more time with a score of A. So 100, 100, and hit our breakpoint. So you'll see this will be true. So once that's true, it will skip the rest. So it'll assign A to grade and just immediately break out of the rest because those don't matter anymore, and go to the print statement. 8.